In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Overcooked All You Can Eat on PC. So what we will do, open your Google browser, and after that we are going to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So please follow these steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. So what we will do, go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time because we are not going to buy this game at Steam. After that, search for the game Overcooked All You Can Eat, select the game and scroll a little bit down, and then you will find out that this game is €39.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what you need to do is search for the same game, Overcooked All You Can Eat, and select the game. After that, we need to select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work, and then select the game. Now if you open the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €11.71 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive a Steam activation key to activate this game in Steam without overpaying, and you are able to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!